Brandy, I think I have to go now.
Ah no, don't go. What are you afraid of? Relax, I've told you this is my place. This is my shop. I own this establishment. You don't have to be afraid.
I thought you were an apprentice.
An apprentice?
Yeah.
God forbid. Me? I'm an importer. Yes, I import refrigerators all over the world. I sell them. Mama, I only tell people that I'm an apprentice so that they won't be envious of my success.
Really?
Of course now. When it comes to money, I float in it. I am money.
Oh, Brandy. I love you so much. I didn't know you're such a big boy.
Thank you, thank you. You see, just tell me whatever you want. I'll get it for you.
Anything?
Whatever, anything. Mention it.
I want fried rice, chicken, and a pack of juice.
Oh, fried rice, chicken, pack of juice. Is that all? Yeah. That's too small. Don't want shawarma, hamburger, sandwich, ice cream. Oh, let me eat.
Oh, Brenda, I love you so
Thank you so much.
Brenda, Miss darling. Brenda, Miss sweetie. How do you know all the snacks?
Oh, come on, baby, relax. I'm an international guy. That's what I eat. You know, I spend most of my time in America, abroad. You know, I travel around. Whole country, everywhere. I just came back from Japan.
Oh, Brenda, Miss, I love you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Brenda, Miss, honey.
Don't buy. See, let me go and get you what you eat. I don't want to keep my engine hungry.
Okay.